Hello there, guys. My name is Vince. Welcome back to Lucky Toss 3D, the biggest scam app going around town. I kid you not, guys. You guys want to see the biggest joke ever? Then try out Lucky Toss 3D. You want to win some money? Then don't try out Lucky Toss 3D, because you'll be winning $0 if you try this app out. Everyone, I've been covering scam apps for about 3 weeks now, non-stop. 3 times a day, every day, right? This is without a doubt probably one of the most blatant excuses for a scam app I think I've ever seen, okay? You watch this video and you're going to see why. Let's just start off with the whole basic concept here. I need to throw these little rings on top of these objects. Pretty straightforward, right? Anyone should be able to do this. You know, literally someone that has no arms, no eyes, no body, no nothing. Just literally a head. Just a head, no eyes. Should be able to actually play this app and apparently make money. Because all we have to do is aim that hoop on the object. As you see, I've got it 3 times in a row. Let's see if I can make this 4 times in a row here. Now, I will be explaining why this is the biggest scam ever as well in this video. If you haven't seen my other 2 videos on this app, I'm making this one right now to make sure that YouTube actually gets this out to people how it's meant to. Alright? This app, Lucky Toss 3D, is so fake, it actually blows my mind, dude. The whole system of Lucky Toss 3D is to get you to watch advertisements, okay? Like right now, it comes up with Lucky Spin. Alright, I can't get out of this window Lucky Spin. I actually can't get out of Lucky Spin, dude. I can just sit here and spin forever. How do you get out of this, bro? No one knows. But there's no exit. There's literally no exit. I can't close this window here. So what I actually have to do at the end of every level is close the app down. Like, and what's hilarious to me, they put an advertisement at the bottom of the app still, right? So no matter what, they're getting paid for you to play the app. So what I have to do now, like an absolute muppet, is close Lucky Toss 3D and open it up again. Let's be back in a second. Alright, so we're loading back up now. If you guys can tell me how to close that window and get out of that window... Look, I just got an ad. How do I have an ad? I just turned the app on. Bro, what is this? Why do I have an advertisement? What is going on? Lucky Party. What? This is so broken. I'm so over this app already, dude. Anyway, so look, they have a prize center. Lucky Toss 3D has a prize center, okay? Look at this. You get puzzle pieces, right? And if you collect enough puzzle pieces, you can win real-life items and real-life money. Guess what, everyone? You will never, ever, as long as you walk this earth, get enough puzzle prizes to win anything on Lucky Toss 3D. It is strategically programmed to make sure you never win. This is the biggest scam going around ever. I'm proving it right now with the reviews. And people say, oh, reviews don't prove anything. Well, genius, it does prove something if the majority of the app's reviews that aren't paid for and bought by bots is 1 star with real proper reviews. Not just, oh, this app's good. This app good. Not, you know what I mean? It's just funny how people can defend apps like this. Dude, I'm 100% guaranteed, like, believe that anyone that disagrees that these apps are scams are in on the scam themselves or just 10 years old. 100%, alright? So, look, the whole premise is I click on that little bubble and then I get a puzzle piece. But you have to watch ads. So, think about that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ads right there, okay? You get 6 ads to watch and get the puzzle pieces. Then it says, complete tasks to win more iPhone 11 Pro puzzles. Yeah, app, I'm sure you're going to give me an iPhone Pro just to throw some fake hoops around some copyrighted objects. It's just incredible how Lucky Toss 3D is gaining so much popularity right now. And do you know why they are? Because their advertising budget is through the roof. You could imagine, I'm sure you've all seen ads for this app. You can imagine the money they're spending on ads, dude, just to try and get like people to play their app, which is clearly a scam. I love that I've decided to actually review apps like this, because it lets me get all my anger out and my frustration out on these scammer developers, dude. Look, I don't want to do this. I don't want to get ×2. No, I don't want it. I don't want to spin your wheel, dude. I don't want to spin the wheel. It just forces you. It forces you to do Lucky Spin. I'm on an emulator right now, BlueStacks. If you guys can tell me how do I get out of this, without closing the app and reopening it. I'll be back again in a second. Alright, we're back again. If that loads an app up, I mean an ad, if that loads an ad up, I'm gonna lose it.
I love PayPal money.
Oh my god, who is this?
How you can start making $3
Dude, you're 50 years old. Get off the camera, you muppet. I'm so done. I hate it. I hate this. I hate these apps, dude. I love that I'm reviewing them, though, and showing how much of a scam they are. Guys, I don't care. I'm not holding back against these apps. I hate it. I absolutely hate these grown men that are scamming people out of their money. Or not even money. Scamming people out of their time. And guys, what you're actually losing, you might think that these apps are free, right? And you're not losing anything for trying them. But what you're losing is your life. You're losing time out of your life. Should I get on like a philosophical level here? Like, should we go to another realm, everyone? I'm trying to save you guys your precious seconds from not being scammed out of time. Call me the time saver, okay? This 8-minute video now that you're about to watch is going to save you hours of your life, potentially months or weeks, from you saving up time, or you saving up puzzle pieces, okay? Trust me, you're gonna say thank you to me one day. If that comes up with that freaking spinning wheel again, oh my god, dude, I can't handle it. I just can't handle it. Look at this! Yeah, I'm gonna win a Gucci bag. I'm gonna win a Versace watch. I'm gonna win a bracelet or an iPhone 11. Get out of here with that, dude. Seriously, I want to launch the app up again. Here we go again. Get ready for the advertisement that comes up as soon as you turn the app on. Clearly showing not a scam, dude. Look at this joke. Look at this joke, bro. Yuck. Anyway, let's see. I'm sorry I'm getting so much. It just... Guys, if you've been on YouTube as long as I have, and if you've been playing apps for as long as I have, you can tell a scam from a million miles away and some desperate developers trying to scam money out of people. Yuck. Yuck. I hate that. I hate this app. I hate Lucky Toss 3D. Hate it. I just hope that these videos are saving you guys time, okay? Thank you very much for watching, everyone. I'm getting off this disgraceful app, and I'll see you all in the next video. Check out my channel for more scam review videos like this. See you around, bro.